Okay guys, I just woke up. Just woke up now, 1 p.m. my time. So 76 na tayo. That's really good. Nakakaputok lang natin. 0% 76. So pwede na natin gamitin yung bago nating weapon, which is yun yung dream camper natin. Pwede tayo mag bow o kaya mag blade na 7690. Pero we'll go for the blade for the bow first. Tapos yung 76 na necklace na plus 7 natin. Suot na natin. Oh my god, that's nice. Look at that. Ayos. Okay. Natin. Ang kinang naman nito. Hindi nakita. Sobrang kinang. Sobrang shiny nung sa plus 9. Anyway, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe para pag nag-live tayo makita nyo. Try natin mag-live mamaya para test damage sa Lord Yarkan tsaka sa segment. Thank you guys. Ganda rin ng blade. Ano tayo? Plus 10. Ay, hindi. Plus 8 na sa level 70. Okay. Yun lang guys. Thank you. Tsaka tayo magbe-blader after some time.